Hello, curious minds, and welcome back to our channel where we delve into the strange and unusual. Today, we're peering through the microscope at some of the weirdest science experiments ever conducted. From psychological studies that went too far to Soviet scientists trying to cheat death, we're uncovering the bizarre side of research. So, adjust your lab goggles and prepare for a journey into the annals of weird science experiments. Science seeks to understand the world around us, but sometimes, the quest for knowledge leads to some strange places. Let's dive into our first unsettling foray into the unknown. 1. The Stanford Prison Experiment. In 1971, the Stanford Prison Experiment sought to understand the psychological effects of perceived power. Volunteers were divided into guards and prisoners in a mock prison. The results? A shocking descent into cruelty and submission, as guards became abusive and prisoners suffered severe emotional trauma. The experiment was terminated early due to its intense ethical implications. 2. The Milgram Obedience Study. Next, we turn to the 1960s, where psychologist Stanley Milgram tested the limits of human obedience to authority. Participants believed they were delivering painful electric shocks to others, urged on by an authority figure. The willingness of participants to administer seemingly lethal shocks shook the world and sparked a vital discussion on ethics in research. 3. Soviet Revival Experiments. In the 1930s, Soviet scientists embarked on a grim quest to bring the dead back to life. The most notorious of these was Sergei Brukhanenko's autojector, a machine designed to keep decapitated dog heads alive. The experiments were as gruesome as they sound, blurring the lines between life and death. While these experiments reveal the darker side of scientific curiosity, they also remind us of the importance of ethical standards in research. But the weird science doesn't stop there. Let's look at a few more bizarre studies. 4. The homunculus experiments. Alchemists in the Middle Ages were obsessed with creating a homunculus, a tiny, fully formed human. The methods suggested were strange and disturbing, and while no real evidence of a homunculus was ever found, the myth persists in various cultural tales and legends. 5. The Philadelphia Experiment. According to urban legend, the U.S. Navy conducted a secret experiment in 1943 to render the USS Eldridge invisible to radar. Tales of terrifying consequences, including sailors being fused to the ship, abound. While most likely a myth, the Philadelphia experiment continues to intrigue and horrify. Visuals of alleged documents and dramatizations. From the ethically dubious to the outright bizarre, these experiments push the boundaries of what we consider acceptable in the pursuit of knowledge. They remind us that science, while a tool for discovery, can sometimes lead us down some very strange paths. What do you think? Were these researchers pushing the envelope of human understanding, or did they step into realms best left unexplored? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Host, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the weird and wonderful world of science and beyond. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and as always, stay weird.